I don't even know where to start. Okay, yes I do. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Because I finally have these. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I finally have them. Okay. And all right, my little butterflies, let's get going. Yay! Okay. So I know that the title says haul, and I know that we did one last week. Last week was a completely unexpected haul, as we all know. And so I was supposed to do a haul from Ulta, but some of the stuff hadn't even come yet. And finally came on Saturday. I don't know why it took so long to come, but it took forever. So that's that. Okay, so let's get into this haul. I'm really excited. I'm excited. I'm excited about the haul. Okay, very mini haul. Like very mini. Sounds like, what is that? Annie haul. It's a mini Annie haul. Annie haul, mini haul. So I guess I can also title this mini haul YouTube made me buy it again. First things first is I want to give a shout out to Ulta because their customer service is fantastic. Last week when I got some of my items, my package was a little pink and a little orange, and I was like, hey, maybe it matches their, shopping bags, how they're orange. No, it was blush. True Blushes had opened and exploded. Phew, called them up. It was a Sunday, guys. It wasn't even a Monday. It was a Sunday. I called them up. They were there. I sent them screenshots of the blushes that were damaged. Tuesday, I got new ones. Customer service, like, wonderful. Chef's kiss. Beautiful, beautiful customer service. Okay, so I finally got my hands, which is so insane because it's not even, okay, this is gonna sound so bad, but it's not even a high-end product, but these items have been like difficult to find. And the fact that I'm saying I finally got my hands on these items is a little like, what? To me, because again, not a high-end product that's been sold out. It is a drugstore product that has been sold out. And I am talking about the Essence Pure Nude Baked Blushes. And I got 3 of them. I got the color Rosy Rosewood, the Goldie Cassis, and the Shimmery Rose, which is very, very lightly shimmered. So I'm going to swatch them on my hand and show you the finish. I'm not wearing them on my face today because I'm just not. I forgot. Anyway, okay. So the reason why I got 3 is because I couldn't decide on which ones I liked better. And then when I swatched them the other day, I was like, damn, they all work. I mean, I don't know if the Cassis works, but we'll find out. Okay, so this is what they look like on the inside, and it's they're so soft and silky. So this is what the Shimmery Rose looks like on the finger. See, it's not very shimmery. I'm not really sure where that comes from. But it is so soft, and it's such a light color that, like, if you're just trying just to have, like, a no makeup day. See, okay, you can see the shimmer a little bit now. But, like, it's just so pretty, and it's so silky smooth. Then the other 2 that I got, which, again, I couldn't decide, but this one's actually really pretty, and I know this for a fact because this one was the one that exploded everywhere. This is the Rosy Rosewood. It's more of a matte finish, but it's still just, can you see? Let's see. So this is the pink, the Shimmery Rose, so it's definitely sheerer and shimmerier. And then this is the, Rosy Rosewood. Honestly, I feel like this and this would work really well together, piled up. Let me see. Just give me 1 minute. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, so if you, not that I'm encouraging you to buy 2 different blushes, but it does make it, I look like I'm sick. It does make it shinier. Look this way. This is just so pretty. I have to try these out on my face though before I really make a final decision. Just should have done today. I don't know why I didn't do that. Anyway, yeah, so it looks orange, but it's not. It's a very deep pink. And then finally we have the baked blush in the Goldie Cassis. I got this one because I was watching Jessica Braun and she had it on her face, and I feel like we have very similar skin tones, but I also feel like we don't. But it just looked so good. And it's got a little shimmer to it too. You see that? Oh, so they're so soft, you guys. They're like butter. And like, you'll get, right. This was why I wanted to keep this one. Because even though it's purple, it doesn't look purple, does it? I don't think it looks purple. I like it. Wonder if it like looks good if you mix all of them together. I don't know. I think I would have to mix this one with a more of a shimmery blush on top of it, because it seems like it's gonna be way too matte, or you would just put a highlighter on top of it. Now that my hand looks like I've got some, like a rash, this is gonna be interesting. But I am definitely like, so I'm also told that these are actually a lot better than some of the high-end products, and they go on better, they're smoother, and they last longer. So I'm not gonna say go out and buy them, but I'm gonna highly suggest you pick one up if you can find one. I got mine at Ulta. Again, Essence is not sold at my Target. I am not sure why, but I mean, they're so pretty. Okay, let's not ruin them though, Tamara. The next thing that I want to show you is, okay, so I have been on the hunt for this highlighter. I've been on the hunt. This is gonna shimmer, this is gonna rattle away. I just don't want to take it out of the package. But I probably should so that I can show you what it looks like, even though I don't want to. Guys, I can't even tell you how much this YouTube channel has like broken me out of this shell of being afraid of opening new stuff, because I mean, like, why do you get new stuff? To use it, right? But I don't like opening new stuff because then it gets ruined. And then, you know, it makes me sad that it's not new anymore. I don't know. It's very weird. I'm a very weird human. This YouTube channel has really broken me out of my shell when it comes to that. Okay, so this is actually by Flower Beauty. Now, I don't know if anybody knows this, but Flower Beauty is actually Drew Barrymore's makeup line. And her stuff is reasonably priced. It ranges from like 8 to like 20, I think. And I've been on the hunt for this for so long, and I'll tell you why I've been on the hunt for this particular thing. Because this is actually a dupe for the, I can't even open it. You see, guys, I tried opening it, and now it's opened, and it's not working, and now I'm sad. No, I'm just kidding. Anyway, this is actually supposed to be a dupe for the Tarte Fake Awake eyeliner, which I do have that, and I'm gonna do a video on if these two are actually dupes. And I really hope they are. So I really, please don't make me draw this and ruin the, okay, I did a really tiny one. Can you see that? Okay, so it's a nude lighter, and it's supposed to, what happens, the reason why these things are now a popular thing is because putting it in your waterline makes your eyes really pop, especially when you're like really tired, and sometimes black eyeliner can make you look more tired or whatever, and so an eyeliner allows your eyes to pop. So you just put it in your waterline. We're gonna do a whole video of it, and we're definitely gonna do a whole video of the is it a dupe thing, but I'm actually really excited that I got this because this is actually a lot more, yeah, the other one, so I got the other one, it was, I got it on sale and then on sale again. It's the whole thing. Also, Tarte's customer service is also amazing. So I got my Tarte Fake Awake for like 18, and then it was on sale for like more than that. So, and I had asked them, I'm like, okay, I know that I just bought this, but can you maybe give me some of the money back? Because now it's on sale for a lot less. And they said, sure. They just gave me some, like half of the money back. So, I don't know, customer service, like they're just on point. Anyway, next we are moving on to Makeup Revolution. They are by far, I don't know if you know this, I wear their eyeshadow probably the most, and I've been obsessed with buying new eyeshadow, and I still only use those. Their pigmentation in their eyeshadows are just amazing, but that's not what we're here for today. Everyone's been talking about the In Real Life. Okay, so it's actually not called In Real Life, it's actually called IRL, and I really should have known that line, and I messed up on that for the concealer, and this may be a little too light, but it's the Revolution Conceal and Define. It's a full coverage conceal and contour, and it's in the color C3.5. That makes it easy to find colors, but I'm a little nervous that it's not my color, but we're gonna open it and find out, aren't we? Yes, we are. All right, well, ooh, interesting doe foot. It's not like the e.l.f. one. It's a longer doe foot, and then the applicator part is very small. Okay. Ooh, full coverage it is. And it's actually maybe a little bit too dark for me. Or not, because it actually kind of perfectly blended in with my hand. It's very silky and smoothie, and I really, really, silky and smoothie. Shimmer, glimmer, and silky and smoothie. Those are the things that we're doing now, guys. No, actually, it's really quite nice. But I guess the true test will be if it leaves those stupid under eye wrinkles. The next thing okay, YouTube made me buy this. I saw this on Kelly Strack. It is a liquid blush with vitamin E. It is their blush balm. It's in Dolly Rose. Again, I got the one that Kelly Strack got. I love watching Kelly Strack. I can't believe I'm opening yet another thing. But what happens if you have to return it? That's what I don't get. Like, do you save this? I don't know. So it's a liquid blush. Okay, so all Makeup Revolution's doe foots look exactly the same. I think a little bit goes a long way on this one because this is what it looks like dabbed out. I mean, like dabbed on, I mean. And then, okay. It's very pretty. I kind of wish I didn't put on makeup today so I can show you guys. Maybe in my next video, I'll put these on. Well, how am I gonna put on five? How am I gonna put on 5 different blushes? I'm sorry, 4 different blushes for one video. This is really nice though. Let me see if I dab it out with a beauty sponge. Yeah. I would definitely, since this is a matte finish, I would definitely probably put like a shimmer on top of it, like a highlighter or something, if you're not into just the matte, but it's really pretty actually. We'll see if it matches. Okay, last but not least, guys, we're gonna do this. We're gonna make this video shorter, I hope. Okay, but the last product I'm actually really excited about. It's from their IRL line. It's the IRL filter. I have now seen this on so many different YouTube channels that I was like, I have to get this. And if this is actually the wrong one, I'll be really pissed because they don't show you the exact total thing on the Ulta website. I need to open this properly and I don't really know how to do that without breaking my nail. So supposedly, this is a 2-in-1. Let me show it. So this is a 2-in-1 pressed powder and loose powder. It blurs and mattifies. So we're definitely gonna have to do this as a first impression because again, I'm wearing makeup. I got it in translucent. It's soft focus powder. So it's not coming out. It looks like this, and if you open it up, it has one powder in here. I don't know which side, and that comes with a mirror too. That's actually kind of cool. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the pressed powder because of how it's pressed in. I'm not an idiot, guys. I just play one on TV. And then this is the obviously the loose powder, but I don't know why I just got so confused with myself. I'm obviously gonna do this as a first impression. So all of my products, I'm definitely gonna be doing a first impression review, or is it a dupe? One of the two. So we did these 3 blushes, and we did the Makeup Revolution. We have the concealer, we have the blush, we have the loose setting powder, and then we have the Flower Beauty eye lightener, not eyeliner, eye lightener. Okay, so all of these are going to be featured in videos coming up very soon. I'm very excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mini haul. Seven's a good number for a mini haul. So I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope that, again, if you'd like me to try out any of these products, specifically, if you'd like to specifically see one of these products, try it out on camera, please let me know. I will be doing a Is It a Dupe video with this and the Flower Beauty eyeliner and the Fake Awake from Tarte. And obviously I'm gonna, I mean, if it blurs and, blurs and mattifies, what does it say? Yeah. If it blurs and mattifies, I mean, yeah. We're gonna try that one out. And yeah, so also any other videos you guys want me to try, any challenges, any makeup from a certain place, any makeup ideas, throw them at me. I am all here. I'm all yours. That sounded a little dirty, but yeah. So I am very excited to try all these products. I'm very excited to try all these products out with you guys. So we're gonna figure out when we're gonna do that. I don't know when. I gotta see, this is the problem, is that I have plans for specific videos and then I get new stuff and I'm like, oh, now I want to try that. Now I want to try that. And now then it becomes like I don't have enough time in the week. Like, what do? I don't know. All of this and all of this and all of what I did today will be linked down below. Yes, they are affiliated links. I do make a very small commission, and I would really appreciate it if you bought them through those links. It helps support my channel. It helps keep me going, and it'll help with making all of this look a lot better. Not this, but you know, that. That was full of myself, but you know, all that stuff. I look forward to hearing from you as to what other like challenges or products you want me to try. And I'm also very excited to try these products. And I have no idea how to freaking end this because apparently this is my first video. If you like watching tips, tricks, dupes, hacks, is it worth it videos, first impression review videos, did I say hauls already? Tips, tricks, whatever, all and how-tos. So if you're just like watching me and watching me make a fool of myself, just go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and bell button down below so you can be alerted as to when I post new videos, which is every Tuesday and Friday. So yeah, so I'm very much looking forward to seeing you guys again, and I hope you have a great day or night or whenever it is that you're watching this, and I will see you again soon, my little butterflies. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.